These are the elevators at the Hampton Inn in Ithaca, New York. They're OS Series 1. Let's go up to 4. Here we are at 4. Let's go down the ground. Here's your cab view. They did do some renovations since the last time I was here, which was February of 2023. I'm filming this about 2.5 years later. Let's go to 4. While we're up here, here's a quick look at a hotel hallway. And we got this elevator. Let's send it down. Let's go down the ground. So here's your cab view. Pretty nice elevators. A pretty nice hotel for that matter.